Hello student of class 11. In this video, I am going to discuss some sums about complex number. Express x plus iy by y minus ix as a plus ib form. What will I do? This is z. First I will multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator according to rationalize the denominator portion. So I will do x plus iy. X plus iy I will multiply x plus iy by y plus ix. This is the conjugate of this denominator. Okay. After that I will do the simple multiplication, that is xy, that is iy square. After that I will write ix square. After that I write x square, that is equal to y square minus ix whole square. This is equal to this is equal to xy I square. This is xy plus I x square plus y square. This is equal to minus xy because I square equal to minus 1. This is y square plus x square. This is x square and I square equal to minus 1. So I can write it in this way, y square plus x square. So xy and minus xy cancel out. This equal to I x square plus y square by x square plus y square. This equal to I can express I in this way. This is equal to a plus ib. Here a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. Okay. Next sum. If I have I by 2 plus I plus 3 by 1 plus 4i. First, we will do simple simplification. That means LCM is 2 plus I and 1 plus 4i. I is multiplied by 1 plus 4i and 3 is multiplied by 2i. That is equal to I plus 4i square plus 6 plus 3i. This is equal to 2 plus I plus 8i plus 4i square. This is equal to 4i minus 4 plus 6 I square equal to minus 1. This is equal to 2 plus 9i minus 4. That is equal to 2 plus 4i by minus 2 plus 9i. This is equal to z. This portion can be written in this way. After that means z equal to this and z equal to this. After that I will multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator to rationalize the denominator. That means I will multiply numerator and denominator by minus 2 minus 9i. I will do the simple multiplication in numerator, that is minus 4 minus 8i minus 18i minus 36i square minus 2 whole square minus 9i whole square. This is equal to minus 4 minus 26i plus 36 by 4 plus 9. This is equal to 32 minus 26I by this 32 by 13 minus 26 by 13I. Sorry, this is equal to 81. This is 81, that is 85. This is 85 and 85. So this is equal to 32 by 85 I can be written in this way, plus minus 26 by 85 I. This is equal to A plus IB, where A equal to 32 by 85 and B equal to minus 26 by 85. Okay. After that, it is told that mod Z, find mod modulus Z and multiplicative inverse of the given expression. So you will do it easily. I am ending here.